and add quotes about peace. You can add quotes about war. ये वाली चीज़ें आप इसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं. बाकी this is a bit of a complicated topic in my opinion.
If you think about it, it's talking a lot about preemptive defense in the ways that by defending yourself or ensuring your military might, you are the strongest guarantors of peace. If you look at, for example, the global scenario, the strongest countries are the ones least threatened by the threat of war from others. Sure, they might be aggressors, but they find very few aggressors against them.
And in the beginning of your essay, if I were attempting it, I would also give a few causes of why it is happening in our society particularly. क्या ऐसा vacuum है या क्या ऐसी reasons हैं that are resulting in this happening, and where then you can relate it to how we can fix it. When you don't know the reasons for it, you can't know the solutions for it.
Whenever you are giving way forwards in a CSS essay, please have a multi-level approach. You cannot just address one part of it and then. So examiner is expecting a holistic way forward.
Before I do move on, the topic doesn't mention Pakistan. So unless a topic specifically mentions Pakistan, do not limit the scope of your essay in just limiting itself to Pakistan. Sure, your knowledge for Pakistan might be at its best when you give the exams, but if they haven't specified Pakistan, make sure you have a global worldview. Sure, Pakistan can be a subset example from the entire essay, but not the entire essay in its entirety.
अगर आप रशिया को रोक रहे हैं for participating in certain competitions, then what about Israel? क्या जो स्टैंडर्ड्स आप स्पोर्ट की पोलिटिसाइजेशन के अंदर सेट कर रहे हो फॉर द डिसेंट यूरोप, क्या वो थर्ड वर्ल्ड के लिए आप वो सेट कर रहे हो कि नहीं? यू माइट नॉट हैव परमानेंट फ्रेंड्स एंड एनिमीज डाउन द लाइन इन द जर्नी, बट यू शुड हैव योर परमानेंट इंटरेस्ट एज वेल, एंड यू शुड प्रोजेक्ट योर फ्यूचर ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ फैक्ट कि कल आप भी जो है वो सक्सेसफुली जो है वो बेसिकली CSS ऑफिसर जो है वो बन सके.